Hello folks. Okay, this is the video about how to replace that relay on the Toyota Avensis. To do that, first you have to remove the lid on the airbox, then unscrew the screws, remove the plastic, then here is some screw on top of that. Don't touch nothing. All what you have to do is push down the gray plastic, the plug, push down, and you will see here it's security lock. So you have to push that inside and then push down the plug and unplug that. Then you have to pull up the metal which is here and securing the relay. Let's look like that. So you have to pull up that, and then you're gonna take out. So nothing else. Remove 3 screws, remove that plastic, unplug that plug, you will push down that and then take on that way front the relay. Really easy when you know. If you don't know, you're gonna spend hours to figure out how to do that. So it's pretty simple.